I can see the number of students. We expect maximum number of students. So, children, we have been learning the advanced writing skills. Section B. Even in that, B1 carrying 4 marks. In this correction, this will be the last class for that 4 marks question B1 today. A number of writing skills we have discussed in previous classes. So today's topic of discussion is poster writing skills. Are you aware of? As you learned previously, invitation writing, formal and informal invitation, notice writing, sale and purchase, lost and found, too late, and several other writing skills. If you prepare all such things, anyone can come and will be able to successfully write in the examination. So the last skill under that section are discussed poster writing skills. It's very easy. You see one example. Are you able to look at the whiteboard, children? Is the content written on the whiteboard visible? Hello. Am I audible to you? Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Why do you take so much time in saying yes, sir? Huh? The teacher repeats 5 times and then say yes, sir. Yes. So, you see here, poster writing skills, one sample is there. And I have picked up eye donation. The question is like this: design a poster on eye donation. Okay? Design a poster on eye donation. So, Unity, sir. You will wait here. I will call you after a few minutes. Yes. So, design a poster on eye donation. What should be the way to write or designing any poster? So first of all, you write the logo sentence. That is, donate eye, and invent a slogan relating to that poster, relating to the theme. Children, think of what should be the suitable slogan for that particular poster. For example, I can give you, you are supposed to design a poster on Safe Diwali. What should be the slogan sentence? Can you think of? Use your imagination and think of a slogan which is suitable to the theme or the content of the poster. Like here we have thought, see the word even after death. You see here. See the word even after death. Naturally, there are so many persons in this world that have donated their organs that whenever they leave this world, their organs are taken out and it is used for someone who are struggling for life. So if your eyes are shifted to any other person who urgently needs it, what would happen? Through your eyes, that person will see the word, and actually you will see the word even after death. So it's a very emphatic and powerful slogan that donate I and see the word even after death. Similarly, in the same fashion, in the same style, you need to discover, you need to invent a particular sentence which it should seem that it has the essence of the entire content, like this. Similarly, I can give several examples like say no to crackers and save the environment. If you are supposed to design a poster on Save Deepavali, you can just write down some emphatic sentence like this. That should be the logo sentence or the slogan sentence. That is, say no to crackers,
Say no to
crackers and save the environment. In the same way,
eco-friendly.
a number of posters can be designed, but it requires your creative bent of mind. It requires your imagination, how you think, how you invent that particular sentence. Understand? So designing a poster requires your creativity. It requires your that creative bent of mind that you can use it wisely. Any other, like designing a poster on Holi, you can also find out an emphatic sentence, which will, that sentence itself will communicate the entire theme of the poster. So they are just the examples. You can find out several examples. You can create several such slogans. You can create, using your imagination, several emphatic sentences depending upon the situation and the kind of poster you are going to create. Okay. So here I will give you two examples to justify, and following that examples you can develop of your own. Right. So donate I and see the word even after death. That is the slogan sentence. This is the emphatic sentence. And some of the important points we have to write in boxes and circles. So poster writing is a very, very interesting and very simple game. Like I have drawn 4 circles. See, 2 circles this side and 2 circles this side. And I have written some of the things relating to that I donation, which should correspond to the theme of the poster. Understand? So, you see, blindness is a curse. Blindness is a curse. Is it not related to the theme? Then, whatever we are writing in the circles or in the boxes around the slogan, it must have correspondence to the theme of the poster. That is, blindness is a curse. Second, remove darkness from someone's life. Is it not related to the theme? Of course it is related. If your eyes are shifted after death to somebody's eyes, which the person is not able to see, and after shifting the eyes through your donation, that person is able to see this world, and in this manner, the darkness of his or her life is removed. That's why how suggestively it is related to the theme of the poster. That is, remove darkness from someone's life. Similarly, coming to the next point. So these are the things. There is no hard and fast rule what you write when designing the poster. Poster designing chiefly depends upon your creativity, your creative bent of mind. How nicely you think of the situation, towards the content and how nicely you put the information which are related to the content. The poster you are going to make. That is, bring light to someone's life. If our eyes are given to someone who is needy, what would happen? That person's life is full of happiness. That's right. Bring light to someone's life. And the next one, enlighten somebody's life with happiness. And if children, eyesight is the most important thing in life. We cannot imagine this world. We cannot see the beauty of this world without the eyesight. Very, very. That's right. And what to conclude? Be an example for others. And through your generous work, through the work of generosity of donating eyes, it will be the example for others to do the same. This body is perishable. It will be perished after death. And if any organ of ours is useful for anybody, even after death, it will be a greatest work. So, to conclude, that whenever you are going to design a poster, what is the first point? What should be the first point to write? And a sketch work should be done minimum. Some of the children, I give you a caution, some of the students sketch something relating to the poster. Of course, it makes the poster interesting, but find it that you have limited time and you are given only 4 marks. And suppose you take 15 minutes in sketching and 15 minutes for thinking and writing all such points. You will devote 30 minutes for only 4 marks. Naturally, for 4 marks, you are going to lose some other questions which are carrying more marks. So be very, very particular when designing the poster that you are not supposed to waste your time. That's why I have made a sketch of eye. You see, eye. Suppose you are creating a poster, say no to crackers or save Deepavali, and you are devoting 20 minutes or 15 minutes time in giving a sketch of how to foil the explosion of the bomb or the powerful crackers, and very artistically you are going to sketch it. Naturally, you are going to lose marks because that time you are going to waste that time, which is very, very important to write for some of the important questions carrying more marks. Understand? So be very, very
yes, sir.
doing it. That 4 marks should not take you so much time. So in a brief sketch, and but for that you need a practice. Only those students can fetch good marks who can practice maximum questions at home based on the same format of the writing skills. And if you are trying to write the question finally in the examination only, naturally you are going to miss a lot of things. So it's a life exam. That's why you need to practice. If certain, I tell you, certain programs are organized in your school on 26th of January or 15th of August. So for 5 to 10 minutes of program, you undergo 10 days or 15 days rehearsal and a stage rehearsal also. Similarly, so that your program should be impressive and should be excellent. In the same way, whatever you are going to write in the final examination, you need to have a rehearsal, that is practice at home. That's why your answer will be very, very nice and interesting. So once again, I'd like to arrange the points how to develop the poster. What should be the first point? Put a box. The poster must be inside the box. So second, or we can write the put the content inside the box. Inside the box. If needed, draw some sketches. If possible, draw some sketches. Not devoting too much time. Third, create and emphatic slogan. Like what is slogan? See the word even after death. Likewise, depending upon the situation and the content of the poster, you need to create a slogan. Okay, that should be placed in the center. Slogan should be written in center with big font and in capital letter. So slogan should be placed in the center and it should be written with capital letter. And next, some of the points in boxes or circles around the slogans. So some suggestive points should be written in circles or boxes around the slogan. So around the slogan in circles to make it, the purpose is to make it impressive. You can do in a better way also. This is just an example. You can write this way, this way, this way, this way, in a box or circle or in a certain way, you can do it. And at last, to end with a very impressive sentence. Towards in the center, you just end the poster with, like here, be an example for similarly several other examples may be there. So this is the possible effort to draw a poster. Poster, depending upon the theme, may be different, but the approach will be the same. The approach of creating a poster is like this. So these are the points which will help you to develop the poster. So once again, first of all, write a slogan using your creativity. Make minimum possible sketches to make the poster impressive, and at least 4 points should be written either in circle or in boxes around the slogans and end with an emphatic expression. So this is all about poster. It's a very easy. So in order to give you some more example, I can share a slide, sir, to see. Like another example I have selected for cleanliness drive. Suppose you are to design a poster on cleanliness drive. You can see the example. First of all, note it down. This is just example. Yes. Note it down.
Yes, sir.
We are having pen and paper, note it down. Let us discuss. So you see, you can see how the slogan point, the slogan is written in the center, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in a big font, as I told you, a cleanliness drive. And at the top, charity begins at home. Let's begin with neat and clean colony. Join a cleanliness drive on Sunday, the 5th October 2020, whatever. Assemble at Community Center, Janakpuri at 9 a.m. So this is how the theme and the slogan should be there in the center, and your points should be written in boxes or the circles to make it impressive. Suppose a picture of broom is also there. So remove filth, each one clear one patch, clean environment, keep Delhi clean and green and clean. A speak and a span, a clean city is a green city. This is how. So designing poster is not the hard and fast points connected to it. Rather, you have to exhibit the content, and subsidiary points should be written in such a way that it should create an impression. Okay? So, I think you have noted it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, you can uh, design poster of your own. So, should I remove it? Should I remove it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, children, today, the end of B1. I hope that any question, you are supposed to write only one question, but you will be given with option. One option is notice very, very popular and common. If it is there, you can write, and if not, you can select either invitation, formal or informal, or poster designing or toilet services or whatever we taught. I think half a dozen of writing skills we have discussed in this virtual class. So next day, what should be the topic for the next day? I said take up B2. Okay? And I am waiting for the CBSE modified syllabus. Naturally, your syllabus will be curtailed. Some of the chapters will be removed, but I am not sure which chapter is going to be removed from your syllabus. So better we just keep further with writing skills, okay? And when the final syllabus for this session comes, we can. So a number of chapters we have done also. Can anybody tell me the number of chapters we have done? Yes? Who will tell me? Like we have done third level, we have done Tiger King, we have done Enemy, and in that Flamingo we have done Keeping Quiet, we have done My Mother at 66, the poem like, and several other stories we have done there. We have done the
Sir, Jirat.
last lesson.
Last
Four chapters we have finished. So let me see the final syllabus. Till then, a few weeks we can continue with what? With the writing skill. So B1 we have done. From tomorrow, I'll start with B2. And you are advised to go through it. It is always better to come prepared. Some of the questions from B2 carrying how much marks? Children, B2 carries
6 marks.
B1 4, B2 6, B3 10 and B4 10. All together 30 marks. So we have done 4 marks question. Now we'll proceed for 6 marks question and then 10. Okay.
Sir,
Sir, it needs upgrades. Okay. Okay. So,
sir, what will be the syllabus of the weekly test?
what?
Sir, weekly test का syllabus क्या होगा?
I always advise you to speak English. Can't you speak English?
Yes, sir. Sir, what will be the syllabus?
Oh, that will be announced in the group. We are talking about syllabus, but we should talk about the portion, not the syllabus. It should be
Yes, sir. Portion.
the portion. And that portion I shall discuss. I will just inform you through the WhatsApp group 1 or 2 days before. Okay? So,
Yes.
either your pattern is 2 to 10 out of 10 marks. What is the distribution?
Sir, 2, 3, 3.
3, 3,
2, 2.
but there is no question carrying 3 marks in writing section. That's why I will prefer to introduce one 4-mark question and rest of the 3 questions 2 marks. Okay? I will
Yes,
have
sir.
to change, keeping in view of the writing section. So one question will be compulsory for the from the writing skills, that is 4 marks. Either invitation. You should know one thing. Let me make it clear today itself that one question from writing skills carrying 4 marks you just studied must be there. So half of the portion is clear now. It may be
Yes, sir.
formal, it may be invitation, it may be poster, it may be
Lost and found.
sale and purchase,
Sale and purchase.
lost and found, it may be too late. Any of the questions, 4 marks. Rest of the 6 marks for the syllabus, from the chapter recently taught. Okay. Do you recollect the, remember the chapter we have done recently?
Sir, the Lion King.
It's not the Lion King, it's a Tiger King.
Yes, sir. Tiger King.
Is there any story having the title Lion King? I don't think so. As far as I
No.
remember, Tiger King,
Actually, Lion King is a movie.
the Swallow King, or the Wolf King, or the Bear King, not like that. According to your syllabus, it is the Tiger King. Maybe, of course. So, as you have asked for the portion, note it down. Though I will also share in the group, note it down. Any of the writing skills, B1, carrying 4 marks or 3 questions from the Tiger King. This is syllabus. Okay? Tiger King. Tiger King, and second portion is one question from Advanced Nightingale Scales B1. Having 4 marks. That is, so this will be the portion of your. So I hope I have done with it. So tomorrow I will start with B2. So come prepared. Better you come prepared.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.